run your own Bitcoin node, but 4 GB RAM is not enough with Umbrel OS, and I show you exactly why. So I have Bitcoin node running and few other apps in Umbrel OS, and if you go in the settings, you can see already that 6.3 gigabytes out of 8 is used, and I'm using a very good alternative for Raspberry Pi that is not available now, that it's called Odroid board. It's called Odroid M1. When I open the Umbrel OS, first maybe it's 2-3 gigabytes, but then if I install and run more apps, then the gigabytes got more. So 4 gigabyte is not RAM is not really an option. Only maybe if you run only Bitcoin, you only want to run Bitcoin full node and not other apps. I've used it also like a media center, so I use Torrent and Plex, and then I haven't set up yet Lighting node and the Snort. So Tor is installed, Mempool is installed, the Chat is installed, and I haven't set up also PCPay yet. So actually, if you only use Bitcoin node, then it should be okay. But yeah, and that because I use it also as media center or home NAS, let's say, I also install 2 terabyte RAM, NVMe RAM. That's why the Odroid board is nice. But of course, 685 is already taken. So let's say you need to calculate 100 for the minimum 50 for the Umbrel OS files, and then you can see that Bitcoin node is taking already 556 gigabytes. So 556, it's running good, but the version Bitcoin Core version 25, but of course 556 plus yeah, it's more than 100 now. So 50 I would say is minimum. So what is left actually is 300 or something, 400. So actually it's only like 100 I don't know, Blu-ray movies or less. Yeah, so it's only like the 1 terabyte one is 65 and 2 terabyte one, and NVMe Samsung 970 Evo is 40 euros more. So you need to pay not double more to get the double space, let's say. Okay, I hope it was useful. If you have questions, let them downstairs, or go to my website runabitcoinnode.com, and I put some links also downstairs. Thank you, bye.